Welcome to part 3 of this road trip series. Since I saw you last, I haven't really done a lot. I left Wales where I was in the last episode. Last night I had a kip and a lay-by, but other than that, nothing's really happened. But today is a new day and I have no plans again. So I'm going to jump on a phone, look at the maps, scout out the country and see which direction I should head in. The first place my eyes were drawn to on the map was the southwest, Devon to be precise, but it's about 3.5 hour drive away, so let's put some miles on the clock. I just pulled up at what has to be the poshest services that I've ever been to. There was like a massive farm shop in there. It was actually really nice. I got a load of Christmas presents. But it was so posh that inside there was like a table full of cakes, and there's a guy and his job is to stand around that table all day and vacuum up the cake crumbs. I'm not even joking. The plan is, I've messaged my friend Josie, who lives in Devon, to see if she's free today. I have no idea, she's sometimes in Bristol, but we'll see what she says. In the meantime, on the way into Devon, there is one of my gyms, and I think it's the last one before I get into Devon, so I think I'm going to pop by there, have a quick shower and freshen up. Hopefully by then have a message back from Josie. If not, we're just going to have to wing it and find a random park up and see what happens. I've been looking on the map along the coastline for somewhere that I can go and park up, and this place came up called Daddy Hole Plain. No idea what all that's about, sounds a bit suspicious to me, but I want to know what's there, so that is where I'm headed right now.
Arrived.
Well, I'm entering the Daddy Hole. God, this is alright, you know. It's not the flattest surface, but I reckon we could even sleep here. I am inside the Daddy Hole. I would send the drone up, but after the incident from the last video, I don't think I will because it is really windy up here. I haven't seen any signs about the parking restrictions, but then again, I wasn't really paying attention on the way in.
So yeah, I'll see you soon. I'll call you when I'm in Torquay.
Yeah, when you're on the rim of the Daddy Hole, let me know and I'll come join you. There she is. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Look at you go, all bright and colourful.
Ta-da! We're both bright, look.
Oh yes, so we are. Oh, it's been a while. How are you?
Good. This is Daddy's hole. Do you want to go further down that way? Because my van won't come up here.
I think we'll probably die if we go further this way.
No.
I don't think the van will survive the drop.
Oh yeah, do you want to go swimming?
In you get.
I don't know how I'm going.
Come on.
You're going to have to
We've
push
got-
me. Oh,
Come on, that's it. Let me shut the door.
on my
Whoa.
own.
Okay, you're in. Oh, how am I going to get to the gear stick?
Do you want me to change gear?
Wait. Okay, I've got it. Just to let everybody know,
Sorry.
we're in a private. We're in a private car park at the moment, so this is not illegal. Oh, whoa, we're gonna crash. Okay. It's lucky you got clean shoes because they're right in my face.
Sorry.
So where is that you parked? Because I can't really go onto the road like this.
That way.
So last time I met Josie, you guys might remember that. Whoa, she had a small van, a T4. Now she's upgraded. Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Hiding behind the bush. Imagine if Uber drivers done this. Just picked you up and like, get in.
Thanks for the lift.
That's all right. Let me just. Oh, we're in neutral. Handbrakes on.
This vehicle is reversing.
Oh.
Sorry.
Well, that was an experience.
Thank you. That was the best taxi I've ever had. Right, where should we go?
Right, got him. I'll follow. Sorry, I'm eating a mint. I think we're stuck. We've come down a road that says it's closed. And surprisingly, it's closed. I was going to ask which bit's closed. Is it from here?
Yeah, well, both ends are closed because we've got lorries coming in and out.
Oh, right, sweet. Yeah, I'll have to. I don't know what she's going to do in that thing, but we'll have to spin around
Where are you
somewhere.
trying to go to?
This should be fun. Josie's now got to turn her van around in this road. We found another way round.
Should have took that road.
Oh, I thought this was it.
No. I'm not going to drive into this. Look up in here.
Oh.
Your van's very warm. Feel like
Oh,
my
no.
hands are.
Do you not have heating in the front?
Oh yeah, I just didn't turn it on.
Oh, you need to try my bed. No, not like that. No, you've got to get in my bed in a bit because you got to try the Duvinator.
The
My new,
Duvinator.
it's my new invention.
Okay, yes.
I'm pretty sure this is the right spot. It looks like the coast off of Oregon in America. There's a rock down there. It's the nicest rock I've seen.
I put my heating on. I tell you what, that was an absolute game changer. I was so warm.
Can we go sit on that bench down there and fly my drone?
Yes.
Okay. Being the gentleman that I am,
Thank you very much.
I have the jacket. Do you want a bottle of water?
I'm okay, thank you.
So that is where we parked. And this is my favourite new rock. What are you doing?
Getting out.
This is a really bad idea because it's still super windy, especially over there and up in the air. But I can't resist sending the digital bird up. Strong wind warning, unable to return home. But it's still, oh no, it's not recognising it. Oh yeah, there we go.
Oh.
It's working, it's working. Remote control signal lost. This is what happened the other day and it didn't return home. Oh no. This is bad news, Josie. Oh no, wait, we got her back.
Oh no.
Whose idea was this?
So is it like above us now? Nearly.
No, it's still right out in the sea. The rain's come down. In you go. Do a tour. So obviously it's a work in progress.
So ignore the mess. It doesn't matter.
So this is your bedroom, is it?
Yes, this is where my bed's going to be. My bed's going to be sitting on here. Right, that's the measurement. From there.
Right, from that side of the finger. Yeah, go.
Right. I don't think this is going to
Well,
work. Stay still. So it's 184 centimetres.
you need to get on with it.
I do,
Things
I
take
do.
a while.
Yeah, but because I'm only doing it basic before I go, aren't I? I'm only just putting a bed in and a bit of cupboards, do you know what I mean? I'm only doing it basic because then I'm going to redo it when I come back, aren't I?
So in about 3 weeks, Josie's going to, where are you going?
France, Spain and Portugal.
But she's got no heating or anything. I think you're going to get freezing. She doesn't want to fit a diesel heater for now.
Feel my hands now.
Understandably.
I feel like
Well, they're not that cold now compared to
Oh, no,
earlier.
you've
I'm cold
cold
now.
up.
I'm cold up. I think you should try the Duvinator out now,
Yeah,
and then you might get yourself one.
I think we should give it a go.
This is going to save the day. Are you ready?
I am ready. This is my bed.
Right, lay yourself down. Have you not got a pillow?
No, not yet. I'll use this as my pillow.
That's it.
Duvenate me.
Duvinate me.
Duvenate me.
Do they just pull off or do you need the laces
We'll
under?
find out.
Oh no! What have you done?
I can't-
Right, you do your shoes, I'll go and clean my hands and I need to get a battery to plug the Duvinator in. If someone walks past now and you're just in there on your own.
Where is that going?
The Duvinator is plugged in. Get yourself nice and comfortable. I'm going to crank it up to the max for now. There we go.
You just start watching. Come on.
Are you aware, Josie, this is the second time we've ever met?
I know. It is warm.
It's well nice, isn't it? This is the life.
Look at that view as well, look.
Yeah, look at that view. See that tyre over there, look?
No, the bench, look.
Oh, yeah.
And another bench.
Right, out of 10, what would you rate the Duvinator?
I would rate it a solid 10.
A solid 10.
It's a duvet that warms up. You can't get any better than that, can you?
I'm a genius.
You are a genius.
I mean, I didn't technically invent the electric blanket. No, I did actually, that's a lie. I did.
It matches my jumper as well.
Does it? I know I'm colourblind, but I'm pretty sure that is a different colour. Shall we go and make some food?
Yes.
We're starting to lose daylight. Josie is going to switch out her van for her car and then she's going to lead the way to a park up for the night. I've parked up, you're not going to be able to see much until the morning, but we're basically in a big empty car park. Well, I say that, there is someone over the back there. But it's basically a massive car park. I don't know what the deal is with parking though, so I'm going to go and check out the sign. Have you paid and displayed? No, I have not. How am I supposed to display if I do it on the app? We are in. I always say we are in, even when it's just me, but this time We are in.
We.
This is your first time in the Jelly Bean.
It is actually.
I mean, does it feel tiny compared with yours?
Well, I'd be lying if I said.
Are you hungry? No, neither am I. Shall we make some food anyway?
Yep.
Well, I don't really want to eat, but I have to eat.
Well,
Unfortunately, that's a part of being human. I just wonder if there's any great stuff in here I can show you. There's this.
you could have told me it's going to be.
Jesus, that one's loud.
You must have been hungry because when we was laying in that bed, your belly was rumbling.
Well, it was, yeah, I probably am inside, but my head isn't. Right, bacon. I've got some brioche buns. My back's just got soaking wet outside. Do you reckon you could dry it with that?
I'll dry you.
I can't need the door open so that we don't gas ourselves
Do you feel
out.
dry now?
Yeah. Yeah, it's just almost as dry as the desert, that is. Have you got a ridge monkey?
No.
You need a ridge monkey. You've got all the utensils in there, look. Look what I found in KFC. These were just on the counter. How good is this? They're like little plates. How do you like your bacon? I'm hoping crispy.
Cooked. Yeah, cooked and crispy is perfect. I'm happy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's nice to know. Well, we've got 3 bits of bacon and 2 mouths to feed. Right, rock, paper, scissors. How do we do it?
Wait, can we talk about the rules first?
Well, basically, you go rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and then you do. What's that? A broken scissor. That's the needle.
That's
You
the
go-
devil finger, that is.
That wins everything. You're not allowed to use that. That's a hack. So you go rock, paper, scissors, and then you pick either that, or that.
Okay, right.
And then, do you know which beats what? Well, I'll tell you after we've done.
Oh, I know that. I know that much.
All right. Okay. So rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, you beat me.
I don't want it though.
Why didn't you just say that? Are you sure you don't want it?
I'm certain. Cheers.
Cheers. Yes, yes, yes.
That is the one. Is that right?
That is the one.
I can't do your voice though.
Well, you could try. Yes.
That is the one. Can you say it so I know how you say it?
So that is the one.
That is the one. That would sound quite like you then.
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, that is the one.
That is the one.
Now you might have noticed we are one person down. Josie has gone home, but I've had a really nice evening with her. Honestly, she's such a lovely girl. I'm so looking forward to watching her adventures in Europe in that van. It's going to be unfinished and it's going to be a struggle for her, but I know she's going to make some good videos, so you can check out her channel below. I'm going to do my teeth and get ready for bed and then get some sleep, and then hopefully when I wake up it's going to be nice weather because I want to be able to get out of the van and actually see what this place looks like in the daylight. Right, so let's get this fan heater on and I'll catch you guys in the morning.
So I'm hoping we can get a sunny day today, but the forecast isn't so promising for the next couple of days. But the temperatures aren't so bad. Gets down to about 5.
Good morning, people. That was the first time that I've ever considered moving to a new park up in the middle of the night. The temperature was fine. It was about 6 degrees outside, which is the coldest that it's been since last winter. But as always, the duvinator kept me warm. But the rain, it just got harder and harder. I don't mind a bit of rain on the roof. In fact, it's quite nice. But this was like, each raindrop was the size of a newborn guinea pig. It was ridiculous. I couldn't sleep through that at all. And then after like an hour or so, it stopped. And I was like, oh, sweet, get some sleep. Then the wind started blowing. And when I say blowing, it was like it hated me. Literally, the van was swaying. It was so loud as well. I thought, I've got to move somewhere more sheltered. But then I remembered that I have some emergency earplugs and I dug them out, put them in, and it went silent. I mean, they're a bit uncomfortable and it meant I slept through my alarm, but I could finally get some sleep. As much as Devon is an amazing place, well, apart from at 4 AM when it's trying to destroy you, I am out of here. These have got to be some of the smallest roads I've ever seen. I literally couldn't fit down the last one. It's not as though I've got a massive van. Where the hell do I go? See, for example, look down there. That is a road. How is anyone supposed to get a vehicle down there? As always, a massive thank you to anybody who's donated to the channel by buying me a brain cell through the link in the description. I have no idea where I'm going in life in general. I mean, I'm going to leave this episode... What was that? I'm going to leave this episode here. I have no idea where I'm headed, but stay tuned to find out.